Watch out! The floor is lava!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching you guys how to put an intro into your video. So first, if you guys want to know how to make an intro for free, you're going to go to Internet Explorer, Google, whatever you go on. And then you're going to go to the search bar and search panzoid.com. And that will get you to this page. But it'll say download. It's totally non-risk. It's not risky at all, and it works so well. So basically what you do is you go to an intro that you like. So there are so many just intros that you can do. So let's say that I like this intro. You're gonna go to it and then open the ClickMaker. So then once it's loaded, so you're gonna go to this cube right here, and then there's this text. You're gonna type in what you want and then choose a font. I'm just gonna keep it as the regular font. So I'm gonna do Jenna Presnell. And then you click enter. And then you're gonna do Jenna Presnell for the next, do your channel name for the next one. And then for the third one, I'm gonna do my channel name because it's actually 3D, so you need to have the thing. There's actually more on some of them, but you just need to type in your channel name for each one. That should be good. So then once you're done with that, you're gonna go to your music, and you want to download a song. I might do that in another video, I don't know. But you're gonna go and then you're gonna pick a song that you like. So I'm trying to find mine right now. You're gonna go to, oh geez, I forgot. Woo! I forgot where it is. Well, we can just go to okay. I can't find it right now. I'm so sorry, guys, but I can't find it. Let's see. I totally forgot where it is. Maybe I could do a sound from this intro. No, I don't think I can do that. No. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry, you guys. Oh, I think this is the one. I think this is the one. I think it is. Here, let's see. Hold on, guys. It's kind of laggy a bit, but it'll work. Let's see if it'll work, because I don't know. Okay, so it works, but then I found out that the intro is way too long. Here's why you don't want a long intro. It's because then the people who are watching it, they will not be amused because they think the video is going to be super long and they don't really want to waste their time watching the long intro and then the long video and everything like that. So you want to change the time to maybe like 9.0 seconds. This is what it's like so far. hold on. I'll try to get the sound so then you guys can hear it. Okay, I don't know if you guys will be able to hear it or not, but let's just hear it. So then, once you've done your intro and now you like it, if you have like a really good computer, like it's not laggy, it's not stuff like that, you want to go to extreme quality. But if you don't really have a really good computer, you want to go to good quality. So I'm going to be going to good quality. You want to keep it as MKV because like you want to. And then you're going to go and you're going to start your video render. So I'll see you guys in a bit when it's done like loading. Okay guys, so it's almost done, like rendering and everything. I don't know what render is, but it's just rendering, so it's almost done. So we're gonna go to the next step, and just letting you know that I'm doing this video because usually with other videos you have to go download like Filmora and stuff, and I tried it and it didn't work. Like I couldn't upload the video. So this is actually a different way that you can do it super duper easily. But just letting you know that you guys have to have Microsoft Store to do this, or else you won't be able to do it easily. But you guys are probably just like, why can't I just do it on YouTube Editor? It's so easier. You just go on YouTube and then go to YouTube Editor. Well, it's because YouTube is actually got rid of YouTube Editor. Like, I don't know why, but they're just getting rid of it. So we're just gonna have to deal with that. But there's a few seconds left. Okay, so now after it's done rendering, you're gonna go to download your video, and it's gonna take you to this page. You're gonna ignore these ads, and then when a bar you're gonna go to this arrow right here, and then you're gonna go to save as. So then you can like save the intro. You're gonna go change it to, so you can change it to like I'm going to change it to test intro because I'm doing it for YouTube. So then you're going to save it. And then you're going to open it so you can take a look at it. Okay. I need to make sure my volume's turned up, but not too loud. Okay. So it's just going to run a security scan just so it's safe. And mine is totally safe. It's totally safe for anyone. So then once it's done, you will get to see your intro, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next step. So guys, we're about to see the intro play. So yeah. 1 second, you guys. It's just loading. So it's been downloaded and now it's gonna play for us. Just waiting for this to load. Sorry, my computer's a bit slow today. Okay, so now it's loading. Okay, here it is. It's about to play. Okay, so once you're happy with what you have, no thanks, I don't, okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to close these tabs because you've completed making your intro. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go to Microsoft Store, which is right here. But then you want to go and you want to search up Gold Media Convert her. It's called Gold Media Converter, and it'll say download somewhere. So then once it's downloaded, you are going to launch it, and you're actually going to want to make your intro into MP4. So you're going to go to browse right here, and then you are going to go to, let's see where it is. You're gonna go to your intro that you have, and yep. So you want to change it to MP4, and then you're gonna convert it because it needs to be MP4. Okay, so once that's completed, you're going to go to join multiple clips, and then you're gonna add video clips. You're gonna go in order, so your intro, your video, and then your outro. If you have an outro, you don't have to put an outro, but I just do. So then you're going to go to your, hold on, okay. Let's get it. Hold on, you guys. Okay, I found it. So then you're going to go to this and you're going to open. And then you're going to add another clip. I am going to be using my first video as an example. So then you're going to open that. And then you're going to add the last clip, which is going to be, hold on. So, hold on, you guys. So I found it. I have a converted video, which is the number 2, which is my outro. You're going to open that. And then once you have that, you're going to click join. And then you're going to name it. I'm going to name it test. Okay, so now it's going to save your file. Okay guys, so I think it's done. So now you're going to X out of Microsoft Store, go to your website, go to youtube.com, and I'm not going to actually publish it, but it will publish. So then once you're here, you're going to go to select files to upload, and then you're going to find your video. Sorry, I had to go do something. So then you're going to go to your video, and you're going to go, and then you're going to wait for it to upload, give it a title, give it a description. Oh, hold on. Okay, so I apparently picked the wrong intro. So basically, after that, you need to click the right intro, or else it's gonna be wrong and you won't be able to upload your video. But then once you added the clips and everything, go to your uploading page, do the file with the video, and that's basically it. I'm not gonna publish this because because this is kind of a test. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Goodbye!
Watch out! The floor is lava!